Professor Belfrost's science class is back.
Hi, welcome back to this channel. And today we'll again discuss another concepts related to science. So here's the science tutorial for you today. Are you ready? Let's continue playing this video. So, okay. So, yeah, let's go from here. Mathematics, okay? So here's the problem. Let a factor and b factor to be two unit factor, okay? From here, you can create um, this row, okay, there, and that a dot b equals 0. This is the second information that is very important. Xy is element, okay, it consists of real numbers, okay, and c equals xa plus yb plus a cross b, okay, this is a cross product, okay. If the magnitude of c is 2, this is the third important information, and the vector c is inclined at the same angle alpha to both alpha and beta, a and b factor I mean, then the value of 8 cos square alpha is, okay, so c makes an angle alpha with both a factor and b factor. Also, this is the information that has been given, this one, okay. Thus, that c dot a, okay, we need to find it first. C dot a equals 2 cos alpha, okay? 2 cos alpha, because you know a is a unit factor and it makes a inclination alpha, right? Cos alpha. And cb is also 2 cos alpha, okay. Ca is represented as a, okay, and cb is represented as y, okay. So x is 2 cos alpha, y is also 2 cos alpha. So c squared, which is c dot c, is 2 cos alpha plus 2 cos beta plus 2 cos alpha a, 2 cos alpha beta plus a cross beta squared. So c dot c, this one, 2 square, is, okay, 2 cos alpha, okay, square, 2 cos alpha squared, it is, yes, 4 cos square alpha, and a squared is 1, this is 4 cos square alpha, also b squared is 1, a cross b squared, okay. So 4 equals a cos square alpha plus 1, okay. Why 1? Because a cross b is 1, okay. You need to really uh, understand what cross product means. If a dot b is a b cos something, a cross b is a b sin something, okay. And a cross b, okay, they both are, one is x, one is y, okay, and they are two unit vector, and it means that this is, you see, this one, a dot b equals 0. So this is actually 90 degree. So 1 sine 90 degree, that is 1. So 8 cos square alpha equals 4 minus 1, which is 3. Second question, physics. In an experiment to measure the speed of some resonating in a column that tuning for frequency, yeah, blah blah blah. This is the important 500 hertz, and then the two successive resonance, 50.7 centimeters and 83.9 centimeters. So which are the statement that is true? So for a resonance on a column, you need to apply this um, formula. So this is for first resonance, for example, and this is for second resonance. The important thing here is that the agent the add agent is um, odd. Okay, is odd. So this is for the first resonance. Okay, you see, and this is for the second resonance, and you can compare them and make this as so. Okay, and you proceed it, and you get the E, which is 0.9 centimeters, and after that you can substitute the result to one of them to get the lambda, and you know that uh, the velocity is actually the frequency, which is represented here as, yeah, is this new, I think, new lambda. Okay, I will always write it as f lambda. I'll never use, this is also Greek letter. Okay, 500 times 0.664, which is 332 meter per second. So the answer, the correct answer are A and C, right? Actually, 6.4. Actually, I think A, B, and C. Okay, maybe A, B, and C. Okay, so the third question is chemistry. So among hydrogen gas, helium ion, okay, helium diatomic ion, uh, lithium, beryllium, okay, diatomic lithium, diatomic beryllium, diatomic boron, diatomic carbon, diatomic nitrogen, okay, diatomic oxygen ion, and diatomic fluorine. The number of diamagnetic species is, okay, actually this is a very easy thing to be solved because we have been given the atomic number. It means that we can know the number of valence electrons for each of the specimens. Okay, if we have known that, then we can create a hybridization type, right? Okay, you need to know, you need to notice there are two types of bond. There are sigma bond and pi bond. Okay, and this is the one that is pointed out here. Okay, and yeah, you can create it like this. Okay, I think it is self-explanatory here. Okay, why it is created like this, I think this is self-explanatory. This is how we create the hybridization order. Okay, from S suborbit, P suborbit. Okay, and yeah, how to determine this, which one is diamagnetic, which one is paramagnetic from the hybridization. So a substance is paramagnetic if it has unpaired electron, and diamagnetic if all electrons are paired. So for example, like this is a full, okay, full configuration, right? So see the diamagnetic, but for this you have one SY. It means that it's not all pair, so we have paramagnetic here. Also the same with this 2py1, so it is paramagnetic. Actually, there's the things goes like that. Easy. Okay, before I end this video, I want to share a quote for you. It is better, uh, I want to share a quote to you. Okay, so a Roman prophet said, it is better to live one day as a lion than 1,000 days as a lamb.
That's the end of the video for today. Thanks for watching, thanks for following so far, and here's what you need to do. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment, and share this video to your friend. And also, don't forget to check our website at https://science-with-exploits.unaux.com, and I'll be back on every Tuesday, so keep watching and be thoughtful. Goodbye, see you.